How to get membership plans in Workana. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get subscribed. First of all, go to this website named workana.com. So this interface will pop up. Now, here on the right top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon, and on the top, tap on Find Work. So here, there's a section called Membership. Tap on Membership. So this is the place where you can find different membership options. So if you slowly scroll down, you'll be able to find different plans that are available. So it's up to you and the one that you want to purchase. So here, tap on the one, and after doing so, you must add all the credentials and a way to pay it. So make sure you're using your real money here. After adding all your payment methods, you can easily pay it and start your membership right away. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.